Flat 20% off on the whole set of chaniya cholis. Flat 20% of the entire jewelry collection, and also jewelry starting at just rupees 200. Cute magnets, desk calendars and fridge magnets. These are all the beautiful options available here. This is Curator Art and Exhibition Gallery, and here is happening Festive 2.0 for 2 days, today and tomorrow. So do visit this show. 4 brands under one roof. Check the caption for all the details और collection देखने के लिए swipe left.
This is our clothing by Ripple Rao, and यहाँ पे आपको peplum tops में कुछ option मिल जाएंगे. So if you want to style something with denims, yet you know something festive, then this is the place. You will find beautiful options in peplum tops, and they have also options for chaniya cholis. Let's check out.
Color options here.
Okay, color options are available in this. Check this out. If you want some traditional look, then यहाँ पे बहुत सारे options आपको मिल जाएंगे. Color options भी available है. Full sets भी आपको मिल जाएंगे. Let us show more. Check this out. Green पूरा. Okay, something like plain. घेर कितना होगा?
20 meters.
20 मीटर. Okay, 20 meters का घेर आपको मिल जाएगा. Check this out. Very pretty. Beautiful.
गजी में आएंगे.
गजी में आपको मिल जाएंगे. Yes. हेवी में विंटेज स्टाइल ब्लाउजेस में अगर आपको ऑप्शंस चाहिए तो दैट इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल. दिस इज ब्रांड थ्रेड्स बाय विनीता पटेल, एंड दे हैव गॉट ब्यूटीफुल नवरात्रि कलेक्शन. ब्यूटीफुल चनियास में आपको काफी अच्छे रेंज मिल जाएंगे, एंड इफ यू बाय दी होल सेट तो आपको फ्लैट 20% ऑफ भी मिल जाएगा. चेक दिस आउट. उनकी जो बेसिक फैब्रिक्स है वो कॉटन में है, सिल्क में है, और क्रश सिल्क में आपको ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे. देन दे हैव वाइड रेंज ऑफ ब्लाउजेस एज वेल. चेक दिस आउट. Pretty embroidery, floral work if you want, mirror work if you want, dupattas and bandhani as well. So you can buy the blouses, the chaniyas and the dupatta separately, and the whole set as well. So if you still haven't shopped for Navratri season, this is the place to come to. This is brand Threads by Vinita Patel. Check this out. Full sleeves blouses में भी आपको option मिल जाएंगे. And something like this as well. So full Navratri collection, Threads by this. So this is brand Euphoric Jewelry, and let me tell you, flat 20% off on the entire jewelry collection. And there's also one more offer, so stay tuned for that. मैं end में बताऊंगी. तो ये सारी earrings के option है उनके पास. Flat 20% off तो है ही. So no traditional, festive, नवरात्रि के लिए अगर आपको jewelry चाहिए, then this is the place. They have beadwork jewelry as well. Check this out. And they have collection. So आपको यहाँ पे वैरायटी में ज्वेलरी मिल जाएंगे. इट्स नॉट जस्ट वन काइंड, बट में आपको ऑप्शन चाहिए. चोकर्स में अगर आपको ऑप्शन चाहिए, ऑल दिस इज अवेलेबल. दे हैव सम सिल्वर लुक लाइक्स एज वेल. चेक दिस आउट. सच प्रिटी ट्रेडिशनल ऑप्शंस, एंड दे हैव सम ब्यूटिफुल. नाउ द ऑफर that I was talking about, these jewelry that you see right here, earrings, it is in flat 200 rupees. So this is brand Euphoric. So not just chaniya cholis, यहाँ पे आपको कुछ इस तरह के artistic options भी मिल जाएंगे. These are all the fridge magnets, and the brand name is Mohak by Mona. So these are very cute fridge magnets that you can, definitely buy. Check this out. She has a lot of options, and everything is customizable. Not just this, she also has beautiful, calendars for the next upcoming year. Check this out. And some amazing options in canvas, and these are also customizable. Check this out. So if you want something personalized, you can get it done here. Some options like this as well. So this is the artistic section. Here you will find fridge magnets, some calendars and canvas. This is brand Mohak by Mona.